Imagine a place where ships run without humans, where machines patrol the ocean, and where India builds its future naval power. That place is being built right now, in Andhra Pradesh. But while the government calls it a historic project, the opposition calls it controversial. So what exactly is the Sagar Defence Project? Why is it important? And why are some people opposing it? Let's break it down. This project is being developed by a private company called Sagar Defence Engineering. It is India's first autonomous maritime shipbuilding systems center. That means ships without human control, underwater drones, AI-based naval systems. This facility will build, test, deploy next-generation defense technology for India's navy and coastal security. And yes, this is not just big for Andhra Pradesh, it's big for India's defense future. The project is coming up at Juvaladini Fishing Harbour, Nellore district, Andhra Pradesh. Around 29.5 acres of land has been allocated for this project. Why this location? Direct access to sea, easy testing of ships and drones, coastal advantage. This makes Nellore a strategic defense hub. This is where it gets exciting for local people. The project is expected to create around 750 jobs initially and possibly 1,000 plus jobs overall. Engineers, tech jobs, shipbuilding workers, support logistics roles, opportunities for small businesses, skill development in high-tech defense sector. Even fishermen communities may be involved in testing and operations. This means people don't need to migrate to cities anymore. This project puts AP on India's defense map. Economic growth, boosts coastal economy, attracts more investments, creates industrial ecosystem. This is not a normal factory. It's about AI, robotics and autonomous systems, which means Andhra Pradesh enters future technology space. This is not just a local project. It connects to Make in India, Atmanirbhar Bharat, future naval warfare. But opposition says, why give public land to a private defense company? Fear of losing harbor space and livelihood impact concerns. And the government says, project will create jobs, fishermen will benefit indirectly, no major harm to livelihoods. It's a long-term investment for Andhra's future. What do you think? Is this project good for Andhra Pradesh? Or should local concerns come first? Comment below. And for more deep, powerful explanations like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. See you in next video.